Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to solve USB device not recognized in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar. So once you are now on the search bar, we're going to type File Explorer. So just open File Explorer right here. And then in this part, just look for this PC and then open your C drive. After that, click on Windows. And then in this part, look for INF. So double click on that also. And then on the search for WPVMTP. So once it is searched, and then you will see this one. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click on install. After that, click on yes. And then once it is done, what we're going to do next is to search for disk part. So look for disk partitions and then click on open. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to look for your USB drive. So let's say, for example, that this is the drive that we're having problem with. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click on properties. So what we're going to do is to change its letter. So right click on it and then we're going to click on change drive letter and paths and then click on add. And then after that, click on assign the following drive letter. So once you've added a drive letter or path, what we're going to do next is to change it. So you can choose any letter right here that you want to. So let's say, for example, we want to change it to letter O, and then click on OK, and then click on yes again. After that, you will be able to see that the USB drive letter is already changed. So after that, once you do it, all you have to do is to restart your PC by going here and then restart your laptop. So once you do it, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.